Hi, I'm Alvin, and today let's talk about some numbers. Really, really big numbers. Infinity, to be exact. You might be asking, why do I need to learn so much about, well, a number? There are two good reasons. A, infinity, according to definition, is not like any of the other real numbers. And B, you get to see a lot of fun stuff. If your reaction is something like this, then I'm pretty sure you're going to get your mind blown away. For your information, it's not April Fool's Day, and those two equations are actually correct. How? Well, the first is the standard geometric series. We multiply it by 2 and we get something that looks quite familiar. Wait, it's not familiar, it's the first series minus 1. We solve for it, and s is equal to -1. Huh? Confused? Let's get even more confused. To solve for the second sum, we need to evaluate two other series. First, Grandi series, and another one that looks quite familiar, to be honest. And then we subtract S2 from S. Voila, we get S times 4. Therefore, we have S is equal to -1/12. Wait, that doesn't make sense, does it? Well, I hope you're familiar with the infinity hotel paradox. If you're not, spoilers alert, I'm going to cramp numbers into it. So, any geometric series, like such, we can assume s is greater than 0 or 2s is greater than s, because there's a huge 2 to the n plus 1 power on the right that we assume is greater than 1. Here's where infinity comes in. Imagine the old series is an infinity hotel. We're gonna cramp the times 2 into the hotel. How do we do it? The new 2 goes into the room the old 2's in. They get into a huge fight and get sent to the hospital. Just kidding. And the new 4 goes into the room the old 4's in, and they get sent to the hospital. 8 to 8 and off to the hospital, so on and so forth. And soon, 1 is the only one left who doesn't have to go to the hospital because he doesn't have a roommate. Sorry, no more jokes. 1 is the only one left. You might ask, where is the extra term? Well, if you're paying attention to your math teacher when she was talking about the Infinity Hotel, you'll know that he's in the hospital with his ex-roommate fighting over who gets to sleep on a sofa. So we have here 2s is less than s, or s is less than 0. Similarly, we can say an earthquake called S2 destroyed half of the rooms, specifically the odd ones, leaving the even ones intact. We're going to cramp a new series into the hotel. How do we do it? We cramp the numbers in room by room. 1 goes into 4's room, 2 goes in 8's room, 3 goes in 12's room, and so on and so forth. So there we have it. If you can cramp infinities into, well, infinity hotels, you can add infinity and get a negative number. We took advantage of the fact that infinity is, well, infinite. By taking a few terms out of an infinite series, we turned it into, well, whatever it is before. Stay cool. Alvin out.
Created using Powtoon.